just in northern New South Wales. We've got the MADDY design under construction at the moment. We've used some timber posts here just to dress it up a little bit. And we'll just walk through. So it's got a nice big open plan house. Some big double doors going through here. So it's got a concrete slab at the start, and it goes onto an elevated floor system all through here. So we've got the bedrooms, we've got the master bedroom over this side. Nice big open plan living area that's out here onto the balcony. About a 5-metre ceiling throughout the living area, out onto the balcony. Big stacking sliding doors on either side. And then underneath you've got like a self-contained granny flat. So you can just have a look underneath here. So it's a good use, it follows the natural contours of the site. Steps down the block, so we don't have to have big expensive retaining walls or excavation costs.
Getting that look right, I think they nailed it. Absolutely nailed it. So this, it's a flat.
Oh, it's perfect. What is this room now?
Rumpus, and there's a skylight here.
Okay.